Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create frame-to-frame AI videos in CapCut? With Seedance Frame, CapCut can generate smooth AI video transitions between two images automatically. This means the first image becomes the starting frame, while the second image becomes the ending frame. Let me show you how to use it on Samsung Galaxy S26. First, open CapCut on your device. Tap Edit. Next, go to AI Generator. Then tap AI Video. Now tap the plus icon to upload your images. For Seedance Frame, you need to upload at least 2 images. The first image will be used as the starting frame. The second image will become the ending frame. CapCut will then generate a frame-to-frame AI video transition automatically between your 2 images. After uploading your images, tap the text box that says "Describe your video" here. Type a prompt to describe the animation style you want, or you can empty. Next, scroll down to the AI model section. Select Seedance Frame. After that, go to Duration, choose 5 seconds. After that, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical videos. Next, go to Resolution, select 480p. Once everything is ready, tap Generate. CapCut will now create a frame-to-frame AI video automatically from your uploaded images. This process may take a few moments. Once the AI video is finished, preview the result. If you like the video, tap Export to save it to your device. And that's how to create frame-to-frame AI videos in CapCut using Seedance Frame on Samsung Galaxy S26. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.